Today, we're gonna be talking about living thing and non-living thing. Hi, teacher Nolan's here. Welcome to science lesson. Living things and non-living things. Look around. See, what have you seen on the screen? Like lions, tigers, and many more. These things are in our surroundings, like turtles, cows, butterflies, ball, robot, cake, and many more. Living things, like you have seen a screen. Living things, things that are alive, like human, animals, and plants. Rabbit. We have girl, tree, boy, and even turtle. These things are belong to living things. Why? Because they are alive. Living things, they need food, they need water, they can breathe, they can grow, they can excrete, they can move, they can respond to stimuli, they can reproduce. Living things like this, like humans, animals, they need food and water. We need food and water. Remember, we need to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Okay? Look, we have these animals: dogs, horse, sheep. Living things breathe. We breathe through our nose. Some animals breathe through their nose. Fish, like this, breathe through their gills. Plants breathe through tiny pores on the leaves called stomata. Now look, living thing not only need food and water, not only breathe, but living thing grow. Living thing grow. As they grow, they will become bigger and heavier. A cat grow from a kitten to an adult cat. A chicken grow from eggs to become chick and grow into an adult chicken. A boy will grow into a teenager and then grow into a man. So living thing can excrete. They remove waste materials from their bodies. Now look on screen. Look at this. We go to the toilet. We release some waste materials. Dogs, animals excrete. Alright? Now look this one. Animals not only grow, not only excrete, but living things, what? They can move. Living things can move by themselves. They can walk, they can jump, and even fly from one place to another. Like in this picture, butterflies flying, an eagle flying, a boy jumping, a kangaroo hop on or jumping, fish swimming. So a turtle is crawling. These are things that can move. Living things respond to stimuli. A stimulus is the change in the surroundings that causes a reaction. Reaction is known as a response. Like for example, this plant. What do you call this plant? You are right, that is a sunflower. Sunflowers move their flowers towards the sunlight. Now what else? What plant is that? You are correct. That is a mimosa plant. Mimosa plant closes its leaves when it is touched. How about this? You are right. That is Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap closes its leaves when insects crawls onto its leaves. How about this one? Yes, you are correct. That is a tortoise. Snail, okay? Snails and turtles hide themselves in their shells when it is touched. Do you know what insect is that? Crawling. Yes, this is very common insects we have seen around. This is what we call millipede. Millipede curls up its body when it is touched. Living things can reproduce. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process to have offspring or a new individuals. Some living things, such as humans, okay, like us, human, cow or cows, and monkeys, they are living things that reproduce by give birth to live young. Okay? How about this one? This is a butterfly. You are right. A butterfly lay eggs. After that, eggs would become larvae. And then pupa, and then becomes an adult butterfly. So butterfly reproduce by laying eggs. How about this one? A frog. You are right. A frog lays egg. From eggs, it would become a tadpole. And then tadpole with hind legs. And then it would become an adult frog. Now, frogs reproduce by laying eggs. Most plants reproduce through seeds. The seeds will grow into a new plant, like this. What is that? You are correct. That is a durian. A durian reproduces by seeds. How about this one? Yes, that is a sunflower. A sunflower could reproduce by seeds. Now, what have you learned about living things? Living things need food, need water, grow, excrete, breathe, alive. They can move, need sunlight, responds to stimuli. Okay, and even they can reproduce. Now, how about non-living things? Non-living things, things that are not alive. It means they don't have life. They don't need food. They don't need water. They cannot excrete. They cannot breathe. They cannot grow. They cannot move. They can't respond to stimuli. And they can't or they cannot reproduce. Now, like this, doll. We have this one, ball. We have a kite. Okay? So non-living things cannot do anything. Okay? They cannot do anything. Don't need food and water. They cannot breathe. They cannot grow. They cannot move by itself. They cannot respond to stimuli. They cannot reproduce, like robot, like this ball, like this kite, like this car, toy car, this cake, doll. Look at these things. There are only two group of things, and write all the living things and write all the non-living things. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, group these things. Living things and a group of non-living things. Group these things.